Hello everyone, welcome to my series on drawing 2D and 3D small molecular drug candidates. In this series, we'll be exploring how to use ChemSketch, MarvinSketch and Avogadro to create accurate molecular structures essential for drug design. In this first video, I'll give you an overview of what we will cover in this series and why it is important. We'll begin with an introduction to ChemSketch, where we will learn how to draw basic 2D structures. Next, we will move on to MarvinSketch for more advanced 2D drawing techniques, including stereochemistry. After that, we'll transition to Avogadro, where we will learn how to convert our 2D structures into 3D, how to refine and optimize them, and finally export them for use in other software tools. Each video will focus on specific skills and techniques, making it easier for you to follow along and practice. But before we dive into the exercise, we need to ensure that you have all the necessary softwares installed. So let's get started with the downloading and installing ChemSketch, MarvinSketch and Avogadro. ChemSketch and MarvinSketch are free for academic. Avogadro is an open source software, so anybody can download and use it. For using ChemSketch and MarvinSketch, we have to make registration on their official website. The official website for ChemSketch is acdlabs.com. And the official website for downloading MarvinSketch is chemoxon.com. So let me demonstrate how to make the registration and download this software. For downloading ChemSketch, open your web browser and go to the official website of ACD Labs. So once if you are in the home page, scroll down. You can see the option here, download ChemSketch freeware. Click on that. So again scroll down, again click on this download ChemSketch freeware. So now we have to make a small registration with ACD Labs for downloading the software. You have to give your first name, last name, email, your academic institution name, country. So once if you fill this form, we have to enable this two check boxes. So once if you enable, click on this download software. So it will open another page in which we have to click on this download now button. This will automatically download and save the executable file of ACD Lab ChemSketch. And this is how to download the ChemSketch. So next we will see how to download MarvinSketch. So go to the official website of MarvinSketch, chemoxon.com. So in the home page of chemoxon.com, scroll down where we can see different softwares which are available on Chemoxon. And we have to click on this Marvin. Marvin is the ChemSketch, MarvinSketch drawing tool of Chemoxon. So here you can see the download option, click on that. So it will open a login page. So if you are new user, you have to register. So click on the register option. You have to fill this form. So as I already registered with this Chemoxon, I am going to log into my account using my email ID and password. So once you successfully logged in, you can now download the software. For using MarvinSketch, we need license. So if you scroll down in the same page, so you'll be having an option for applying for academic license. So 4 different licenses are provided by Chemoxon. I recommend you to click on this research license. So it will open another application form. So here you can see the option for applying. Just click on that apply. It will open another application form. You have to fill in that form for getting the license for using MarvinSketch. So this is how to download and get license for MarvinSketch. So next we'll see how to download and Avogadro. So for downloading Avogadro, you can go to avogadro.cc or 2.avogadro.cc. 2.avogadro.cc is the latest version of Avogadro. So in the home page, you can see the install file for various OS. Just click on the one corresponding for the Windows and save the file. And this is how to download Avogadro. Once the download is complete, open the installer file of ChemSketch. So we had to extract the zip file to folder. Open that folder. So inside the folder, you can see the setup file. Double click on it for installing ChemSketch. Installation of ChemSketch is pretty straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. So the installation is over. So open your folder, close that folder. So open ChemSketch to ensure it has been installed correctly. So this is the working environment of ChemSketch. So in my case, it got installed properly. So now we will install MarvinSketch. So go to the folder where you have the downloaded executable file of MarvinSketch. Double click on it. So again, installation of MarvinSketch is similar like installation of ChemSketch. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. So installation got over. Now open MarvinSketch to ensure it has been installed correctly. So this is the working environment of MarvinSketch. It got installed properly. So for using MarvinSketch, as I said already, that you need license, and this is how to install the license. Go to your ChemOxon account, and there you can copy the license and you have to paste it here. So this is how to install the license for MarvinSketch. So now I'll show you how to install Avogadro. It's quite straightforward and simple. So double click on the executable file of Avogadro. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. So open Avogadro to ensure it has been installed correctly. So this is a working environment of Avogadro, and in my case it got installed properly, and this is how to install the software.